Bit blurry. Huh. Right, top of the morning, folks. Welcome back to another tofu adventure. Out again with the heavy hitters today.
I'm bringing in the heavy hitters now.
Alright guys, out at main range today. A place that I'd never go to unless Sir Paul here gives me a lift. Thank you, Paul. Once again, Tofu appreciates it. We're chasing down a waterfall today, so stay tuned. It's a big one, but I'm really hoping it's a good flowing one. That's what's more important. We're 7 k's in and now we're hitting the creek section. Beautiful creek section. That was a really boring fire trail, so nothing special so far.
Beautiful fire trail I've ever seen since the last time I saw a fire trail.
Alright, so we got another 3.5 to 4 kilometers of this. Of course, once we get closer to the waterfall, it's going to get a little bit more tricky. But till then, if we see any good cascades, I'll let you guys know. Nice open creek. A lot of rocks to hop on. Oh, it's a break from walking in the fire trail though. That was a boring ass fire trail. We are 1 kilometer into the creek hop. Whoa. So 1/3 of the way there. So far it's nice, shallow, nothing too difficult. We haven't hit the rainforest section yet. Once we do that, that's when we're close to the waterfall. So we saw something jump into the creek and there were turtles.
There's a big fish as well.
There's a big fish.
There's 2 turtles under the rocks.
I can't, I see a whole bunch of fish.
I'll see if I can go in and see if they'll
Lure them out.
I better take the bag, I've got a pretty big. 2 big turtles.
That's big.
They're like this big.
Yeah, there's 2 big turtles.
Oh, there's a huge eel.
Okay.
Like this wide as well. Some living shit down here. They're all going under that rock. There's 2 turtles and a massive eel under that rock. And that fish fucked off as well.
Look at that. That's how high the water rises when it floods out in this area. That is so neat. That's a good 3 meters at least. Look at this. This is our first cascade. Swim hole.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Bro, that's like...
So Ben reckons he can jump into this. Well, on the way back, let's see it happen, alright?
It will happen.
And a Paul too, but the tofu's too scared. He doesn't want to be smashed tofu, so I'm gonna pass on that.
A few moments later.
Go Paul, go Paul, go Paul. Checking the depth. That's Ben.
Yeah.
That's heaps deep. Yeah.
If I hit the rock here,
You probably need to jump out just further.
Well, you dirt-eating piece of slime, you scum-sucking pig,
You son of a motherless goat!
Your turn, Ben.
Sorry?
Your turn.
Yeah. Don't worry, mate, I'm going. I didn't touch. Okay.
Oh, God save me.
Oh, what was that?
An owl.
An owl? Shit, look at that.
Why did he swoop down at us? Did he mean to swoop down at us?
I think he was just trying to escape. He was just sitting there and we didn't notice.
Oh, true. Okay, fair enough. We scared the shit out of him.
Oh, wow.
Some wildlife today, eh?
Yeah.
Bloody awesome.
Did you reckon you would have got that?
Yeah, I caught him flying away, but I don't know how much I've...
Yeah.
Yeah, because I swung around pretty quick. Yeah, hopefully. So according to Ben, it's my chest height, right? And if this freaking goes over my head, I'll have some few choice words for him.
Well, I've got to get my foot out of here.
At least the water's nice and clear, eh?
Yeah.
It's pretty nice. It's not that deep so far. No. Oh fuck, here we go. This is the section. Oh fuck me, man. Oh. What animal is that? Yep. Okay, waist. Chest. Holy crap. Oh, that's deep. Woo! Well, neck. Oh shit, how? Oh my god. That's definitely higher than chest.
Oh, there's a frog.
Oh yeah, froggy. Look, 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 look. Look at him. He's trying to come out. Hello.
Oh. He's breezy. That's fucking cold. Oh man.
What was that?
Big huntsman.
Oh yeah, I see it. The other right, Paul. The other right.
We'll call the left side Froggy Way and the right side Huntsman Alley.
Huntsman Alley.
Yeah, there's a bit of a ledge there.
Warm for, cooler for a bit longer.
He's pissing in the water.
Gross.
It's not so clear anymore.
Look at that. He's taller than me. He's way past his chest.
Get up on the ledge there, yeah.
No, I can't.
Oh, can't you?
It's
You went right down the middle.
falling down.
Oh, you guys are fucking hilarious.
What a walk. It's just a waterfall here.
Yep, that's a good swim there.
How are you going to get up?
I don't know. It's starting to spread.
Been more interesting, eh, Bob?
Yeah, it's better than the fire trail. Woo! Oh look, there's a nice little cascade here. Hang on, let me get down. Fuck. Even though this is completely covered in trees. It's not bad, huh? I want to see if I can make it up the tree still. Slippery. All right, 3 hours in and we had a first glimpse of a waterfall. We're probably only 200 meters away, but we can see the cliff line, oh sorry, the cliff face, and we can see the waterfall coming down. At the moment it's pretty far. I don't think the GoPro will pick it up, but we're definitely within sight. This is a 200 meter plus waterfall, so it's going to be exciting. Endless cascades before the waterfall. Nice swim hole, except looks a bit brown. How come it's so clear downstream and so muggy up here? Alright, let's bypass this and get to the main falls. Pool area. Cascades looking good here. Hours and 15 minutes into the hike. There it is. For another 10 minutes and we're here. Here we are, guys. Sun's blocking the view, which is such a shame. We're not heading out yet. We're actually trying to make our way up to the first level. Seriously, why did he come down here? Is he forgetting that I'm a short Asian? Bloody hell, this guy. Anyways, as I was saying, we're trying to make our way to the first middle tier. So that looks like it's going to be a steep scramble. But yeah, we'll have a crack at it, and if we can't get there, we'll come back to the base, have lunch, and then call it a day. Approaching the off-track section. We are just winging it. Not a single one of us drew a possible GPX to get here.
So if we're stuck on a cliff, we'll show you. Help.
I guess one way to find out if we can make it is to keep climbing. Oh, the crazy steep part's over, I hope. Now is just whoosh bash, trying to stay on this ridge line, well, sorry, the spur, and cutting across. Hopefully we've gone high enough. If not, we have to keep climbing. You know that if you're relying on, what are these called, Ben? Spear lilies to save your ass from sliding down the side of the hill, you know you've gone the wrong way.
Yeah, spear lilies like to grow on
The good thing is I'm 20 kilos lighter than this guy and he looks like he's struggling. That's the only good part of this hike so far, watching him struggle. That's what he gets for pushing the pace of a fire trail, bastard. Well, you're the one who always lets me go in front and get the gimpy dish. So don't complain. Oh, fuck me. Alright, so we ascended too high, but obviously we can't descend now. Oh, hey, I see the rock pool, guys. Oh shit, it's a good 10 meters below us. Where's Paul? Yeah. Look directly down, you can see it. I see water, I see the creek. I want to head down, start heading down. We're going too high up. Alright, we're going to head down a bit. Going to the edge of the cliff. I think we ascended way too high. Way too high. That might be tricky. That's the waterfall there. Woo! Look at this.
That'll stick to that.
Alright! Woo! Finally made it. Middle tier.
That's your best way of getting completely wet. Oh, how's that view?
Oh shit, it's so cold.
Oh, I should have worn shoes. Oh, that peeled my ankle.
We're back down to the bottom, but I found some animal bones. Oh, is it? Here you go. Could be lizard, snake. There's 3 pieces here. So hope you guys can see that. Anyways, we're hoping for a better view of the falls without the sun being in the way. Oh yes, much better. Alright, that's the end of the hike today, guys. Catch you guys on the next adventure. See ya!